Social media magic. Transform your profile into a sales magnet. So, everybody tells you be on social media to grow your business, but you're probably there and wondering, what is this actually doing for me? Just being on social media doesn't translate into sales. But what does is when you can optimize your profile and be strategic in what you're putting there. This includes your personal profile even on platforms like Facebook. First of all, make sure that on your profile it has your name, the name of your business, and a brief description of what you do. Then you can make sure to have things like featured images or posts about what you're doing that will lead people into your company. The last thing is be a person. Don't just be a robot that is spitting out facts about your business, or it's going to be really hard to keep followers. Realize that social media is meant to be social. So share things that people will want to hear about and comment on. Balance the life lessons and the experiences and your business, and also be sure to engage with other people. The best way to get stuff out of social media is to build networks, build connections, and stay in touch with people and let them know what you have going on. If you would like to know more about how you can optimize your social media and turn it into a money magnet, please drop hashtag magnet in the comments. I would love to send you some resources to get going.